On this video, I'm going to show you how to season your steak at home so that it tastes exactly like the steaks you get down at Outback or Longhorn Steakhouse. Seasoning is one of the few things you can do to significantly enhance the flavor of your steak, even if it is a less expensive cut. One of the very important steps that people forget when cooking a steak at home is to allow it to rest. The steak that you see on your screen was cooked on my grill, and I allowed it to rest for about 5 minutes covered with a plate. The process I'm about to show you is a 3-step process. If you leave out one of the steps, you are definitely going to have a steak that does not taste like Outback or Longhorn Steakhouse. The first step is to apply a very liberal amount of Montreal steak seasoning. Don't worry about adding too much because we're going to take care of that coming up. Step number 2 is to completely wrap the steak in plastic wrap and let it come up to room temperature. When you put a steak on the grill, it should always be at room temperature. When you take the steak out of the refrigerator, it should take approximately an hour to come up to room temperature. This is the final step in the process and the most important step. After about an hour, remove the plastic wrap from the steak and use a paper towel to scrape off 100% of the Montreal steak seasoning. Well, there you go, folks. Outback or Longhorn Steakhouse at home. If you think I did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.